Mini R55 Clubman, and we're going to try and fit the reversing light bulb, which doesn't work. So once the door is open, we've got top screw on the lens unit and one on the bottom, and these are Torx T20. Yeah, well, I apologise, don't need the bottom one, there's a clip that you hook in, so sort of hook the bottom in first and then onto the top. It's difficult to do with one hand. And then go in the side lugs and then pop the top screw in.